This is how we started, and this is how we finished. Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we just finished up this 2-car garage with baseboards in Wesley Chapel. So this garage required a lot of additional work to get the baseboards in. They were very rough when we got here. There were a lot of voids that we had to fill, but you can see how nice they look now. So here's some details around the fixture and the baseboards themselves. So we did a coating removal and then a final grinding profile. Removed a lot of material off of this floor. Get back down to the bare concrete aggregate to give our epoxy a good surface. We did fill the control joints, and actually the cut lines went all the way right into the baseboard, so we had to patch them in as well. And again, over here we did some repairs to the baseboard where we had to remove a lot of excess material and shape it back up. We squared up and rounded over the lead-in edge. You can see what that looks like. Put a lot of detail into the lead-in edge because this is the most vulnerable part of the garage. This has a UV stable, durable polyaspartic top coat. Here's some more details. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.